Hey, let's make another rug and take all of these colors and make a Leif from Animal Crossing. This is where tufting gets expensive because I used a total of 13 different colors for Leif. One of my favorite colors I chose was called Mushroom, which I used for the outside of his head. I just thought Mushroom was very fitting for Leif because he's a plant guy. Now that we're all prepped and ready and everything's planned out, let's finally get started. Can we talk about how silly this looks right now? Trust the process. I used two different versions of clarets. One is by Red Heart and one is by Karen, but they have the same color name. That's why I made this wonderful swatch wall. So I know exactly what colors, what brands, what stores to get that specific color from. I'd like to mention the hat real quick. At first I thought it needed a dark green outline, and after I finished the flower and the main hat color in spring green, I realized it was not what I was going for. So I removed all of that really dark green outline color and I replaced it with a lighter green outline color, and I still didn't like it, or the brim of the hat, so I moved it all to try again. I don't like wasting materials, but I learned that less is more. I'd like to thank Gremlin Rugs for this tip on how to remove a bulk amounts of yarn from the tufting frame by using the clipper replacement clippers. It was oddly satisfying and saved me a lot of time. After trying 2 different versions of the hat, I decided to go with a really light gray for the underside of the brim and citron green for like a highlight of the brim, and just fill in the rest as spring green. And later on I will carve in the boning part. I just used a popsicle stick to try to see what it would look like, and that's the way I went. Let's move on to the final color. This is one of my favorite parts of the process of tufting because this one pushes all those other colors to where they need to be, and the final image finally comes together. We're all done tufting Leif. The next step is to just slap some glue on the backside. This rug took a few days to finally finish, just due to some minor setbacks. One was the hat, just finding the right colors. I forgot some tools at home, but I'm glad that he's finally done. So we're just gonna clean up and come back the next day to finally finish Leif. See you in a minute. Here's a comparison between the not carved side and the carved side. Some rugs look better not carved, but I like to carve them, so let's finish them up. He's all finished. What do you think? I'm gonna go hang him up so he can join Stitches, Anka, Ketchup, Maple, Punchy, and now Leif can join the villager family. Thanks for watching. Bye!